have some other features. One of them is called Crew Chief, which is our black box telematics device.
Okay.
It has GPS and is connected to the CAN bus in the vehicle. And through our partner, Microlize, you can access their website and track your fleet.
Okay.
Monitor all the vehicle and driver performance and behavior characteristics. So know how the vehicle's performing, understand what your driver's doing relative to speed levels, vehicle operational characteristics, harsh braking, sudden acceleration, fuel consumption, engine idle. A lot of really cool things for our fleet customers who want to know what's going on with their vehicles.
What's the monthly fee for that monitoring?
Now that's a separate system. The Crew Chief product runs anywhere, depending on the vehicle, if it's an F-Series or a Transit Connect, in the $400 to $550 a month range for the equipment.
Okay.
And then that's $25 a month.
Oh, $500 for the equipment and $25
$500 for the equipment. I'm sorry, $20 a month.
Okay.
Per vehicle to use the Microlize services and leverage their website to track and manage your fleet.
So what cars can you get this in?
All the FordWorks Solutions components, whether it's the in-dash computer, the Crew Chief system I just talked about, and/or Tool Link. And then there's another feature called Cable Lock, which is a locking system from Master Lock. All 4 components you can order through your Ford dealer on any F-150, Super Duty truck like this, Transit Connect, or E-Series van.
Okay, but no consumer vehicles, or if you had a work vehicle that you had an administrator driving?
No cars or crossover vehicles at this point, but we've had some fleet customers that are very interested, especially in the Crew Chief product I mentioned, to monitor and track their fleet, that we're looking into to see if maybe we could accommodate a handful of cars or crossovers with that technology. But the in-dash computer and Tool Link, limited to our F-Series trucks, E-Series vans, and the Transit Connect right now.
So what's the time frame? Like if I went into my Ford dealer right now and
if you went into a Ford dealer, well, 2 things. Some of our dealers are electing to stock the in-dash computer on their trucks because they like the functionality that you can, obviously you can sell a customer on the fact that they've got a mobile office.
Right.
But there's also some really nice features with the Garmin navigation it comes with and the Bluetooth enabled phone. So you can find them in stock, and/or the dealer can order it for you, and you're going to wait about 6 weeks to get a new vehicle with the equipment. Some of the dealers also can order it through their parts department if you want to purchase a unit in stock and then install the computer.
Okay.
And have the dealer do it.
So what other, can we watch movies in here while we're parked? We're waiting for the guys to do stuff?
No, there's no movie functionality or DVD player in this as it stands right now. It's got a single disc CD player. Really, it was designed for our work truck customers to do work on the job site. So that's kind of the
the supervisor's got to sit here in their car, and you know what?
Well, exactly. On your break time, it makes sense. You want to watch a movie,
right.
Check things out.
What about MP3s? Can we put MP3s in our SD card slot here?
Yeah. Well, the SD card slot's for the maps.
Okay.
And you can use it for some of the other functionality if you've got files stored on an SD card.
Okay.
There's also a USB port. So.
Okay. So we can play MP3s, but no video. So we couldn't put a little USB stick or SD card in here with the video.
Not right now.
Okay. All right. Great. What about internet radio? That's a big thing these days.
Not at this time. We're really excited about this product because we wanted to get it to market to help meet the mobile office needs of our work truck buyer. But we recognize going forward there's a lot of opportunity relative to this product and how it may integrate with other technologies we're bringing out in other vehicles and in the near future. And some of the things you mentioned earlier, like Wi-Fi and even HD radio and some of these other features that are out there. Yeah, we're kind of taking it one step at a time, but we're excited to be able to offer this to our customers right now.
How about traffic and can you get traffic?
You can get traffic through the Garmin system.
Okay.
So we can get traffic and weather. If I go back to the menu, we go into Tools, we go to Garmin Online, and we can get weather reports.
Okay.
And/or traffic alerts.
Now, does traffic alerts, does that overlay on the map and do your routing based on traffic? Like if it said does it do routing based on there's a traffic jam up ahead? So
no, it'll essentially just give you alerts on this system.
Okay.
And then you'd have to stop and modify your route. That's the way the Garmin system's set up right now.
Yeah.
But it'll do it because if you have the internet connection through Sprint, which is an option for customers, the system comes without the connection, obviously. You have to contract with Sprint. As I mentioned, it's $50 a month for unlimited data through the Sprint broadband network. But you can't operate the computer and even the Tool Link system without your internet connection. Clearly, for our customers that are interested in having a mobile office, they're going to want to be connected to the internet. So it makes sense that they would go ahead and take that step.
Now, how often are map dates available?
Right now, our mapping is we're looking to make updates available probably on an annual basis.
Okay.
And www.fordworksolutions.com is our website, and we'll sell that those updates through that site, along with some of the other equipment like extra RFID tags for our tools.
How much are the map updates going to cost? That's been a big complaint about OEM
You know
maps.
what? We haven't gone to market yet with the map updates. We just launched in June, and we haven't brought an update into market yet. So I think we're going to monitor that carefully and see what we think the right market price is.
Just a ballpark, though, because I'd imagine that would be a really big question for a customer. Because if you're stuck with old maps and it's like $500 to pay for your new...
It's not going to be anywhere near that.
Okay.
I think we're looking at reasonable prices. It'd be premature for me to speculate on that at this point.
Great. Well, thanks a lot for giving us a tour.
Oh, absolutely, Robert. My pleasure.
Great product.
We're excited to have it in the market. Now we'll just get some customers out there to buy a new truck and get a computer with it.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching our blog.